Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in this lesson I want to show you the step-by-step process of making this neck from the drafting to the stitching of it. So this neck is very simple, at least if you watch this video to the end, although it has some technicalities you have to observe. That's why you have to stay tuned, watch carefully step by step without skipping any part of it. So I am Oden Shalom. Welcome to Oden's Fountains Fashion. In this channel I reveal fashion secret and answer fashion questions as well. If you haven't subscribed as a new viewer, hurriedly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification so that I'll get you notified in every of my updates. You get like and share this video if you find it helpful, as we just turn to the lesson at once. So this is my back and front bodies. So the cutting of it is just as normal as every other senator dress. You get now have been able to join the front bodies to the back bodies. Have you seen? All I have to do is just to make sure the neck is the exact neck of my client or my neck, as you have seen me put it on. Like this is the way I'll be folding these shirts. Like have you seen? I folded that shirt that way, and I will be placing my gum, like cloth gum, on fold. Have you seen? The gum is on fold already, it's doubled. So place that like that so that the gum will be at least in by 4 inches into the fabric, and the opening will be 6.5 depending on the size of your client's head or so, but from 6.5 any head can enter. So I'll be marking 1 inches round because that is the width of that design I want. So if you want the design to be bigger than that, you as well make it wider. So watch as I will be taking note of all those points. So I'll be marking 1/2 inch in this side like this, have you seen? And I'll draw a straight line. So in this other part it was 1 inches up at the neck. Here is 1/2 inches. And now what I'll be doing now is to mark the same 1 inches all around. That is the size. And I'll mark it all around that way. So after doing that, I will cuff it whichever way you want to cuff it, but I will be cuffing it this way just as I have shown you there. Like, and I'll be marking 1/2 inch around for my sewing allowance. You see, sewing allowance, and down there I will add like 1 inch or 3/4 inch for the sewing allowance as well. I'll cut it out. Cut it following the dotted lines, and that will be it. So I will be placing it this way like this to affirm something, then I'll be marking it all through. So the 1/2 inches I added for the sewing allowance will be shown there. Have you seen? It's already showing there. I'll make sure it is 1/2 inches. So I'll mark it to that point, and I will curve it as well, just like shown on the gum. So I'll be cutting through that inner line just like this. So I'll cut it all through. Make sure you watch this video carefully so that you can be able to do it exactly the way it should be. If you miss any step, you miss all. So I'll notch the midpoint from the back. Look at how it looks like. Have you seen? So when it is placed, this is what you are supposed to have. If you don't have this, you have to retry it because it's wrong. So have you seen? So that's what we have there. And I will be taking it to my pressing table, and the fabric is placed at the wrong side, and I will fold it put it this way. Look at the placement. If you miss the placement, you miss all. Just watch carefully. That's why I say you should not skip any part of this lesson, because if you do, you will miss all. So I will be gumming it to the fabric, and I'll be cutting it in this side here exactly the way the gum is the way I'll be cutting it out. So I'll cut it out just like that. So, but in this aspect here, this side, I'll be cutting it like half inches away from it, because here we'll be needing like a half inches, sorry to say, to sew it to the facing. So I'll place it like this and I'll cut it out also. So in case you need videos, lessons of all kinds when it comes to male dresses, you can check my playlist. I have multiples of them: how to cut a female and male pants, corporate wear, suits, both male and female suits. Their lessons are there. You get? So just hurriedly go to my playlist and make sure you watch them for your own good. I'll be cutting out the excess out, and after I'm done cutting it, I'll be pinning it with my office pin. You know what I'm talking about? My office pin will be introduced. I'll pin it so that if I'm sewing it, it will not shift. So that's just that. Make sure if you haven't hit the like button, do that so that I'll get encouraged, and as well as having to reach a wider audience. So I'll be sewing it from the inner side of it where I left that. Have you seen? Look at the sewing, and I cut the excesses, leaving it with 1/4 of an inch, and I'm giving them notches to be able to fold them to the right side. You know what those notches does to that part of the dress when it is curved like that. So have you seen? I'll be ironing it that way, and I will put hemming gum inside. After I'm done doing that, I will show you how it looks like. So this is what I have there. Have you seen? Have you seen? That is the wrong side, like the inner side, and I have notched the midpoint by folding it like this. So from the midpoint, I will be using it to attach to the midpoint at the back side of this dress. So I'll be turning it like this. See, and I'll start my stitching. Half-inch stitches will be okay, just like the allowance I kept. So this is not something you do in a hurry until you are used or acquainted to it. So in case of any question related to fashion work, you are free to drop it down below the comment section. I'll be right there waiting for you. So in this curved side, what do? I will use my scissor to notch it out. Notch it out. Notch like 1/4 of an inch, using to be able to pass through that curved side. Even though the thing will not lie well. So the inside of it, that place there that is pointed, I'll be making some notches there to make it free and loose. So this is how it looks like, and I'll be turning it from the center back to complete the neck. Just watch carefully how I will be doing it so that you don't get lost or confused. Do well by sharing this video so that we get to meet a wider audience, and I'll be really grateful. I will appreciate if you hit the like button as well. So I'm notching that again, just like I did to the other side, to have a free space or a free flow of the stitches. Just like I have said, please, I'm pleading with you, subscribe to my channel. I upload videos almost every day that are very, very helpful, that will boost your fashion career. So do well as you subscribe, turn on your notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. It's really, really important. I know you will not regret it. So if you're interested in my maybe membership perks, they are affordable. You can go to my channel there, press the join button. The offers there are affordable. So now here comes where I'll be notching this point just like a well pocket. Give it a notch close to that stitches there. So, and that is that. I'll confirm what I have there. I'm supposed to have 2 inches, and that is 2 inches. Because each of those pieces there, those pieces there are 1 inch each. So I'll be giving them notches at those points just to make this lie really well. And after I'm done, straight to my ironing table. But before then, this is the space that is left. I'll be turning it just like this, and I won't be in a haste to arrange this. So if you are doing yours, make sure you take your time to arrange this to be very, very good. If not, you have problem here. So I'll be holding it here while turning it to the other side to make sure the work is perfect and neat. So that's what I'll be doing there. Always confirm and check. So look at how it is. Are you seeing? Look at how it looks like. Hope you've seen it. Now come with me to my ironing table. Here we go. I'll be giving it a nice press to see the finished work we'll have here. So here you really need a good ironing ability to achieve this. Have you seen? So that is what I have there. Have you seen? So that is just that. It's as simple as what you have seen. I'm really grateful having you around. Please, just like you have seen in the screen, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like and share for more updates. I'll be very happy if I see you in my next upload. Do have a wonderful time. Bye.